Welcome to the Ashford floor plan. This beautiful one-story home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a sizable flex room or optional study, a formal dining room, a large open-concept kitchen with a large pantry and a cozy breakfast nook, and a generous family room, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor patio. The master suite of the Ashford includes a private bathroom retreat with a separate shower, dual vanities, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also features a walk-in laundry room, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-car garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder in Nashville to offer everything's included homes, the Ashford also includes all of the energy features, kitchen appliances, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our Premier Nashville communities, visit lennar.com.